Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. Co-hosts West Indies finished the group stage of the ICC T20 World Cup with a perfect record after a comprehensive 104-run win over Afghanistan in a top-of-the-table clash at the Darren Sammy Stadium in St. Lucia on Monday night to seal top spot in Group C. Now, centre back, the West Indies were led by wicketkeeper batsman Nicholas Puran as they posted the highest total in the tournament so far, 218 for 5. It was also the Windies' highest total in the men's T20 World Cup. Player of the match, Puran, who just missed out on a century, blasting 98 from 53 balls, a knock that included 6 fours and 8 sixes before he was run out in the last over. Puran's 8 sixes meant he surpassed Chris Gayle to become the leading six-hitter for the Caribbean team in T20 internationals. Johnson Charles chipped in with 48 from 27 balls, including 8 fours. There were also useful contributions from captain Robman Powell, who made 26, and Shea Hope 25. Brandon King made 7, and fellow Jamaican Andre Russell ended on 3 not out. Now, in reply, Afghanistan never got going, losing their first wicket without a run on the board. They were eventually bowled out for 114 in 16.2 overs. Ibrahim Zadran made 38 and Azmadullah Omazari 26 as Abed McCoy grabbed 3 for 12. Akil Hussain and Gudakesh Moti also picked up 2 wickets each as the West Indies registered their second biggest win in T20 World Cups by runs. The Caribbean side will next be in action on Wednesday when they play England in the Super 8 phase of the tournament. The match is also slated for the Darren Sammy Stadium. Now, the West Indies women lost the second one-day international against Sri Lanka's women by 5 wickets in Hambantota on Tuesday. The Windies women, who played without regular captain Hayley Matthews, were first bowled out for just 92 in 31 overs. Jamaica's Rashada Williams top scored with 24, while Alia Alain and Afi Fletcher made 16 each. Former captain Stefani Taylor could only muster 1, while fellow Jamaicans Shadeen Nation and Chanel Henry made 12 and 7 respectively. Kavisha Dilhari took 4 for 20 for the Sri Lankan women. In reply, Sri Lanka's women posted 93 for 5 in 21.1 overs to achieve victory. Rashimi Gunaratne top scored with an even 50. Karishma Ramahak took 2 for 29 for the Windies women. Ramahak, of course, the top performer for the Windies women. The third and final ODI will be played on Thursday, also in Hambantota. The Boston Celtics won their 18th NBA title after beating the Dallas Mavericks 106-88 in Game 5 of the NBA Finals on Monday night in Boston. Jason Tatum led the way with 31 points and 11 rebounds, with Jaylen Brown scoring 21 points and 8 rebounds and 6 assists. Jrue Holiday had 15 points and 11 rebounds, and Derek White scored 14. Luka Doncic was the leading man for Dallas with 28 points and 12 rebounds, while Kyrie Irving had 15 points and 9 assists. Jaylen Brown was named Finals MVP. Now, the Argentina women began the Business Hours Netball Association Open League with a win over JMB in their most recent outing. The Midday women doubled their opponents' total by winning the contest at 26-13.
Respect JMB. They played well. They stretch us to the limit, but because of the experience and because of how we set our team, I think it make a difference today. Our top shooter is off the island, and we didn't have Janelle today to shoot, but we do some twist around with the team, and I think Tamara Hilton, she played goal attack, and she came in and she have a very good game.
It was a tough game, but we went out and we did our best. RJR is a senior league team, I should say, while JMB is an intermediate team. But the good thing is that our coach asked us to score at least 10 goals or more, and we got 13, which is half of the score, and we're very elated.
In other games, JPS they beat Maritime 34-11. Hart got by Digicel 29-14. Alarica got the better of Guardian 17-9, while Advantage General took down Hawkeye 26-16. And that's where we leave the courts for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.